This video here is on the Line 6 700, Variax 700. I'm just going to run through how I've got it set up. It can be all programmed how you want to get it programmed, but I'm only doing this as a quick demo because I'm going to list this for sale. And if you're watching this, it's probably because you're watching the listing or you're looking at the listing. So there are two custom dials on here. This allows you to have different guitar modelers on there. The first one on this is the custom one, which programmed in, I'm going to run through clean here real quick. I think this 5-way switch allows 5 different custom programs, and the first one down here at the bottom is a, I think that's a Les Paul, and this one is a Tele or a Strat. In the middle of the 5-way switch so the way this is programmed in, these are all bridge pickups. Les Paul bridge pickup, and then a Strat and a Tele. Then this one is a Les Paul Special with P90s. And then this one is a semi-hollow body, like a 335. And if we play through those with some distortion, that's the Les Paul. That's the Strat. That's the Tele. The Les Paul Special, and then this is the 335. Which that's my favorite tone, and whoever programmed this guitar, they're the ones that did these, and I like that one the best. And you can get into programming all these. You got to buy a little box. I think it's $100, and it comes with a cord, and you just plug it in and plug it into your computer, and you can mess around with it. Most people who look at these know what they're doing with them. I learned, and pretty cool. So, all right, I'm going to go into the custom settings here, if I can find my glasses, because that's going to help me, because I'm over a certain age, and hold on, need the reading glasses. Oh, everybody gets old eventually. Okay, so this first set, this is a Telecaster, and the 5-way switch controls different pickup configurations in it. So this, I believe, is just a bridge. That may be, and I don't know exactly what this is. I think these are the factories. That's a nice tone. That might be both pickups on a Tele. In the middle position. And this is all this information's on the Line 6 website. That's a real twangy, bridgy sound. So. Then all the way to the 5th position. So I'll put some hair on it and play through those. Alright, next one is a Strat modeler, and I'll just run through these pickup configurations again here. So like I said, it's 5-way switch, so it's 5 different Strat position tones. I don't know what they are for sure without looking at it, so. Very chimey Stratty. this with some hair on it. Alright, so that's it for that one. Our next position please, for the Cheap Trick fans, is, what does that say? Luster. Alright, so you've got 5 different pickup configurations for a Les Paul type guitar. So put some hair on it. Alright, next one we have set up on here for the factory settings is Special. So this is going to be various incarnations of a Les Paul Special. Next one we got here is a... Should just leave these glasses on, shouldn't I? Rockabilly. So this is going to be like a Gretsch. Okay, we had some hair on it. I don't know how to play rockabilly. I don't know how to play much. Okay, and in case you're wondering, yes, the whammy bar works. I wouldn't recommend big neck dives. You're probably not going to do some Eddie Van Halen stuff. So, next one is Chime. Chime is like a Rickenbacker. Throw some hair on a Rickenbacker. Alright, next up on our list here is Semi. So this is going to be a 335. Got a nice rock and roll sound to it. Maybe I don't have to sell this guitar. I like it. Oh. No, I got other toys I need to buy, so. Next one up is a jazz box, which is like an old school semi-hollow, actually hollow body with a pickup on it, I believe is what that is. This says acoustic. So we're probably not going to throw any hair on this. That sounds like a 12 string to me. I'm not going to throw any hair on that. This is not Megadeth Set the World on Fire. Rezo. A Rezo is like an old resonator guitar. Probably could do some slide stuff with this. That's pretty flangy sounding. I bet you could do not really a slide, it's a flashlight. Yeah, whatever. Alright, next thing I have set up is the custom. I set this one up myself, and in the far down position, this is actually it's a half a step up. So I programmed this so I didn't have to use a capo. So that's your one step up from the second position on the Custom 2, I think, is a full step up in the cable. Not a fan of using capos on an electric, and so that's why I bought this. But I found a nice electric that plays well with that. So this next one, I think, is a half step down. Might be. Yeah, that's a full step down. This is a half step down and then drop. So that would be what? C sharp? I have to do math. And then I believe this is a full step down, drop C. Which these last three I use more for rock stuff. So it'll... Then you got the... Then you take it down the full step, drop C. So lots of things you can do on this. It's limited to what you can program on it. So that's just how I've got it set up. And I'm going back here to the semi, which I definitely like the sounds that gets out of the semi. So that's the Reader's Digest version of this. Can't play country either. I can't play much of anything anyway. All I play is rock. So I'm going to list this up on Reverb, and if you were interested in being the next owner, just look for it there. I'm going to take care of the video though before I make the Reverb listings, because it's really just what I have time for. So that's it. Bam!